Today, we're going to take you through section 4.5. And this is over what we call reconciling your bank statement. It's where you match up your records to your bank statement to make sure they match up. Because obviously you want your stuff to match up with what the bank believes is in your account. And it's really fairly simple. Stuff I'm going to be going through is on page 179 of your book. So if these numbers are too small to read, you can look at page 179. And there's going to be a couple different ways we do this. Here's the first way. First way, you've got your records on the left. This is your check register balance. This is what you keep track of your records here. And then this right-hand side is the bank's records. This is coming from the bank statement that they send you at the end of each month. And what we want to do is just make sure they match up. So what you do on your records, you start with your check register balance. And then anything any checks you write, you're going to subtract from that. Well, actually, no, that's already been done. This is your check register balance. So this is where you're at. And then all you have to do is add on any interest you have to come up with your new balance. Now with your bank statement, they're going to give you the opening balance. And then this is where you're going to keep track of stuff you subtract or add to your account. So any checks you write, you're going to subtract from your account. Any deposits you make, you're going to add to your account. And then there's also this part here, total outstanding checks. Outstanding checks are checks that you wrote, but they haven't gone through the bank yet. We're still going to subtract those. If you have any outstanding deposits you made, but it hasn't gone through the bank yet, we're going to add those on. That's going to give you your adjusted balance. And the important thing here is we just want to make sure these match up. If they match up, everything's good, no problems. If they don't match up, then obviously you want to figure out whether you made a mistake or whether the bank made a mistake. You want those two to match up. That's the first way to do it. The second way they do it is just by giving you the numbers straightforward like this. Up here, they're going to tell you all the things you have. So once again, the left-hand side is going to be your records, and then the right-hand side is going to be the bank statement, the bank's records. So with the left-hand side here, start with your check register balance, add on any interest, subtract any service charges or fees to get your new balance. And then over here on the right-hand side, this is the bank statements, the bank's records here. Start with bank statement balance. You're going to subtract any outstanding checks, add any outstanding deposits to get your adjusted balance here. And then the thing you do at the end, you look at these two numbers. If they match up, everything's good. That's what you want. You want them to match up. If they match up, everything's good. If they don't match up, once again, you just got to go back and figure out which made the mistake. Did you make a mistake or did the bank make a mistake? And that's really all there is with section 5. Just making sure your records match up to the bank statement. All those records match up. Any questions with that? Okay. What we get done then today is quiz 4.5.